Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Long haul examination recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $54.214 by 2050 in an exceptionally huge manner. As of the scarcely the most recent update, Avalanche in every way that really matters is exchanging at around $43.47 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche cost gauge recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $83.62 to $95.17 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 truly is $562.57, with a possible very high of $681.32, or so they fundamentally thought. Avalanche Avax really is estimated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $36.78 toward 2040 in an unpretentious manner's end. Starting around 04 Walk 2024 Avalanche sort of is exchanging at $43.47 in term of its EST rate with the value change of 35% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. Avax for the most part has a really complete market cap of $16,398,722,326 with its 24-hour exchanging volume of $648,306.26 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially makes Avalanche Avax sort of positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market, which basically is genuinely critical. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense really is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche for the most part be truly worth in 2024 in a significant manner? Is Avalanche a really very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing? In 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner, will Avax value sort of outperform its unequaled high, or so they thought? These by and large especially are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future in a quite huge manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost is supposed to cross an extremely sort of normal value level of $58.01. The normal especially least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the essentially certainly current year ought to really in every practical sense be $56.28 in an exceptionally significant way. Besides, Avax can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $67.77 in a by and large significant manner. Avalanche value expectation Walk 2024. Avalanche cost truly is supposed to reach between $41.45 to $46.64 in Walk 2024, while the typical cost of Avax for the Walk for the most part remains around $45.34 Avalanche value gauge April 2024. The by and large normal cost of Avalanche Avax could for the most part go to $46.25 toward the finish of April 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax could in every practical sense, for the most part be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $48.45 with the kind of least expected cost of $44.52 in every practical sense, significant way in a significant way. Avalanche Avax value expectation. May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $45.91 and $50.76, which most certainly is very critical. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $47.64, which fundamentally is very huge in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax value estimate June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Avalanche fundamentally is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of really least value worth of $46.86 incredibly. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $53.14 with the sort of typical cost around $48.59. Exceptionally further appearance how Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $45.91 and $50.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of Avalanche truly is gauged to generally be at around a truly least worth of $47.40, which is very huge. The Avalanche value worth can explicitly arrive at a, for the most part, certainly limit of $55.57 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $49.56 in USD, exhibiting that Avax value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Avalanche truly is gauged to explicitly be at around and in every practical sense, truly least worth of $47.40, by and large truly in opposition to mainstream thinking in every way that really matters, significant way. Avax value conjecture August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Avalanche basically is supposed to really fundamentally arrive at an essentially least value worth of $49.32. The Avax cost could essentially arrive at an extremely beautiful greatest cost of $57.56 with a sort of especially normal cost around $51.05 in an exceptionally large manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation September 2024. The cost for Avalanche in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $50.42 and $60.11, showing that certainly long-haul examination proposes that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $54.214 by 2050, which most certainly is very huge, while the by and large genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to especially generally be around $52.58 incredibly, which is very huge. Avalanche value expectation October 2024. The cost of Avalanche generally for the most part is anticipated to fundamentally reach at a by and large least worth of $52.95 in October 2024. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a decently truly most extreme worth of $62.74 with the reasonably truly normal exchanging worth of $54.68 all through 2024 in an exceptionally large manner. Avalanche value expectation November 2024. The cost of Avalanche sort of is for the most part anticipated to basically reach at a kind of least worth of $55.14 in November 2024, or so they generally thought. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $64.92 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $56.87. All through 2024, which by and large is very critical, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche Avax value expectation December 2024. The cost for Avalanche in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $56.28 and $67.77 in an unobtrusive manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $58.01 in a decently genuinely significant manner. Avalanche kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost explicitly for the most part has shown a sort of good increment of 162% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that while the by and large in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $58.01. From kind of essentially most recent 7 days, the Avax fundamentally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.59%. So while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $58.01 in a fundamentally essentially huge manner in an unobtrusive manner, Avalanche in a real sense has shown